Here's the first 3 comments in the What Say You number 1, our first of 5 that we're going to do. Let's walk through each comment. A professional mix and master can be done without proper acoustic treatment and free software. Okay, so mixing and mastering, both, can be done without proper acoustic treatment and free software. Okay, I think it's pretty easy to understand. That's a position that someone has taken. All right, if the frequency response in both rooms, comparing 2 rooms, is the same, both rooms will sound the same. So if the frequency response in one room is identical to the frequency response in another room, the rooms will sound the same. Okay? In order to meet treatment requirements, you have to start with a modally spaced room to begin with. No amount of treatment will ever change that. So no amount of treatment, and you have to start with a modally spaced room. Not quite sure what that is. All rooms have modes spaced throughout their existence, if you will. So, but these are the 3 comments that we're going to start with on What Say You. So give some feedback on each one or all, whatever you want to do, and let's see if we can get a discussion going and get some, opinions, experience, and actual facts about the situation. What say you number 1? Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.